Welcome guys to my creative corner. This is Claudette coming to you with another quick tip of the day. Don't forget to subscribe to find out about my latest tips every Tuesday. So let's get started. So today we are talking about those disposable tape dispensers. What do you do when your tape is all done? We recycle, of course. So what I do in this instance is I just pop this inner piece out and I pop my masking tape in, or you pop your washi tape in and you have your dispensers for those. It's as simple as that. So thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time, this is Claudette.